When you click and enter the YouTube app on your Smart TV or Android TV, you get this error. YouTube is not supported on this device. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix this error. I will be showing you two methods. So if you find the video helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is go to your TV settings, then scroll down to Device Preferences, then go to About, and then System Update. Then click on Check for Updates. If there is any update, you want to update your TV, and that should fix the error. For me, there's no update, so I will move to the next step. Go back to Settings and then select Apps. Then select YouTube. If you can't find YouTube, go to See All Apps below, and you should be able to see YouTube right here. Click on YouTube, and then go to Force Stop. Select it and then OK. Select Uninstall Updates, and click on OK. Scroll down to Clear Data, and click OK. Now go back, and then navigate to the YouTube app. Open it and see if this works for you. So that fixed the error for me. If this didn't work, the last option for you is to switch off your TV. Unplug it from the socket. At the bottom of the TV, you should see the power button. Press and hold it for a minute. This will do a power purge for your TV. Plug your TV back into the socket, and then turn it on using the power button. Now go to YouTube to see if that works for you. Now, if all of this does not work, then you can always use your TV browser to watch YouTube. Now, I will go to the browser app on my TV. I'm using browser here. Open it, and then you should see YouTube just below it. Every TV browser should have YouTube. Click on it. You can watch YouTube right from here. I can even log into my Google account here. And that should work. Now I can watch shows from my favorite channels. The only issue here is that when selecting a program to watch, you have to use this mouse-like navigation. But when you are on the player, everything is just like the YouTube app. I hope you find the video helpful. Please like and subscribe to the channel.